I started by going in with my pore primer and my concealer on top of my eyelids, and I let it sit there for a while before going in with my blending sponge. So I'm blending here, as you can see, and this is what it looked like when I was done. Then I applied my P. Louise base in shade 0. After this, I went in with my first shade, which was Old Faithful. It's a lovely matte yellow. I applied this to the inner corner crease of my eyelids. And then I went in with the Narrows, which is a beautiful matte brown shade, and I really love the color of this and thought it would blend really well with the first shade. I used a large blending brush to do this, and I just moved my brush slowly towards the outer corners of my eyes, gently blending it using sweeping motions to create this smooth round shape as you move in this motion. Then I went in with Southrim, which is a beautiful deep purple. It is a matte shade, and I basically use this at the end of my eyes just to create that shape that I want, and I blended it very gently in with the red. Then I cut my crease using the P. Louise base in blank canvas. I always use this to cut my creases. It does not require any powder on top of it, but I wanted to add more colors, so I went in with Mount Denali, which is a beautiful silvery shade, and it really looked very nice in contrast to the bright shades I've got on top. And then I went back in with my brownish red shade to just blend that in, and then I finally went in with Arcadia Lighthouse again because I really like this blue shimmer and I thought it would give my eyes a pop. I applied this to the inner corners as well as slightly underneath my eye as well. The next thing that you need to do is apply some liner. So I use Maybelline's gel liner, and I just think that this is very bold and it's great for applying over shadows, and it lasts all day, so I like going for this. I've also heard that Inklot's gel liners are very good, and I'm considering using those soon, but for now I'll be using this. It comes with a brush, and you can use that brush to easily draw your lines. Next, you can remove the tape from your eyes and add highlighter to the inner corners of your eyes and your brow bone just to draw extra attention to those areas and to make your eyes look brighter. After this, I applied the orange corrector to the under eyes because I have some dark skin over there and I just wanted to make my eyes look a lot brighter. So I'm applying that there, and what you can do is then take a blending sponge and blend that out. Let it sit for a while and then go in next with your concealer. So what you want to do is then blend the concealer out, and once you've done that, just apply the setting powder, and the last thing is to add your eyelashes. And you are ready to go out and have a really good time.